Kids ask a lot of questions. Sometimes you're short of answers, or you have the answers but can't explain it in a way a 4-year-old will actually get. That's what I built, Whyzzle. It lets kids ask anything and gets back an explanation that's tuned to their age, a visual they can look at, and a voice that needs it out to them immediately, right in the browser itself. So let me type a question, and so here this profile is registered as a 4-year-old. So watch how the
Rain comes
explanation
from the
comes back.
sea, where the sun heats up the water and it turns into a special kind of air that rises up and forms clouds, like when you breathe on a cold window and it fogs up. When the clouds get too heavy with water, it falls back down to the earth as rain.
Uh, So here, it uses simple words, single analogy, no jargon whatsoever. So it's a short, warm, age-appropriate answer here. And doesn't stop at text, it generates a custom visual for the exact questions, not a stock image. Uh, and for certain concept, like you can even ask it to render a video here. Let me explain briefly what's happening under the hood. So the web search of the question is powered by DuckDuckGo. The search result and the child's age is sent to the LLM, powered by Groq API. The image generation, we use Hugging Face Flux and fallback as pollinations.ai. So the video pipeline here, use Manim library. It generates a 3 blue, 1 brown style math animation. If the topic suits a 3D view, you choose as a blender. Otherwise, the fallback is a Cog Video X. All of it completely free, and I'm using free tiers. Free, there's nothing paid, and all developed locally here. There's some video here generated, and the cool thing here is the dashboard is built with prefab UI. There's no HTML, CSS. It's just some Python statements, and prefab library renders it into a live app on startup. So there's no UI built in the back, built in my code base. So the audio is powered by the entirely by the browser's built-in web search API, web speech API. So if you see here, there's a knowledge graph. Questions that share tags like water, weather, light, etc. get connected by edges. And for example, you see here when your child asks about the sky, right? Uh, so Whyzzle already knows that they have already asked about color and light previously, and it helps in giving the answers with a much better context. So this is like the curiosity map that I've built. It grows with every question and it's personal to each profile. So it's personal to each profile, as I said. This is also exposed as an MCP server, the Model Context Protocol, which means any MCP compatible AI agent can call its tools directly. Let me show you here. I'll just issue a single prompt into my Claude Desktop. So I'm basically asking how volcanoes erupt. Let's see what it comes back with. So Claude knows exactly which tools to invoke and in what order. You can see it calling search topic first. That's the internet tool. It searches the web and generates an explanation. And then there would be two more tools invoked internally. Yeah, so if you see here, it's trying to save the topic to my local machine where I stored all the history conversations, and finally it knows that it has to print me the dashboard. And so it's giving me the simple explanation and the dashboard URL. So let me go back to the dashboard here. Let me refresh my screen. So it asked about volcanoes. So there you go. It says about volcanoes
Imagine you're heating up a pot of water on.
here. It just appeared the explanation, and if I click for 3D, it all continues here. So I'm using all free tiers throughout, Groq, Gemini, Pollinations, all free. So the image and the video quality is basic, but the goal is to build the full integration end to end at zero cost. Um, so the code link will be shared, and feel free to check it out. Thank you.